Hi, it's Dr. Lynn Kenny. I just got off the phone with a fabulous RTI specialist in Gainesville. And she was saying, all right, Lynn, we've got all these kids who don't understand their math facts. We're going to do play math from 70 play activities at our camp this summer. Remind me of what the steps are. And I said, okay, it's super, super simple. First, you're going to get a slow-mo rhythm. Okay, so these are the love notes in musical thinking. And you're basically going to be clapping or marching slowly. That's step one, okay? Get everybody on the beat. And we say, we move on the beat in time together. We move on the beat in time together. Now, once they have the rhythm, then you can say, who knows their tens? And Joey says, I know my tens. And you're like, okay, Joey, you're going to be the leader. Let's get the rhythm. And we are going to mirror you. So you get the rhythm as a group, slow. And then you say, 1, 2, ready, go. 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, up as high as you wish to go. Now you're listening for 70% competency. So if 70% of the kids are mirroring properly and they're on the beat in time together, then you can keep going with your 10s all the way up to 100 or 120, whatever you wish. If you're finding that you don't have the kids moving in time on the beat together, then focus on that again. Go, okay, that was fabulous, that was fabulous. So step 1 is get the rhythm. Step 2 is mirror. He says 10 and we say 10. And he says 20, we say 20. Then the third step is you alternate. All right, so he says 10 and we say 20. He says 30, we say 40. Now with your 10s, 5s, and 2s, it's going to be pretty easy. So all you're doing is getting the rhythm, mirror counting, and then alternating or skip counting. All right, and then throughout the camp, you can be doing this different days and moving through the other numbers. Go 10s, 5s, 2s, then back to 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, and then the final thing I want to add is you want to provide this information in chunks. So don't give too many math facts in one day. Do the 10s one day, do the 5s another day, do the 2s another day, and then when you get to your 3, 4, 6s and up, and it's hard, just do a third of them or half of them. You're listening for 70% competency, okay? And then finally, as the kids are moving throughout their day, they can be, you say, let's sprinkle it, because we're the best coaches for our own brains. Let's sprinkle this information in as we're walking around. So as an example, if this day you've done your 2s, they're walking, they're going 2, 4, 6, 8. We said 2, 4, 6, 8. Then go up higher if you wish. Okay, so we want them to have lots of rehearsal and lots of practice, just moving through their days in the camp so that they're really moving toward some encoding and some consolidation and some automaticity. All right, so I hope that's helpful. Happy summer, everybody.